back again with another episode. Today, we're going to be unboxing the new Losi 16 scale drag car. Well, mini drag car means mini unboxer. So, today we got with us my daughter, Sabrina. Alright, let's go ahead and dive into it.
So it comes with hardware and extra brackets. More hardware
And tools. Comes with the charger. Comes with the remote batteries.
Stickers. This sticker sheet as well. And the instructions.
Alright, so let's find out what's under the hood. Comes pre-wired with headlights and taillights, so let's get that unplugged so we can pull the body fully off. It comes with a 6,000 kV brushless system, 2-in-1, so the ESC and everything is all right here inside the motor. It comes completely ready to run with the battery, which is a, I want to say 500 milliamp 2S. Pretty small little guy, but it does the job. Small little tires. Like I said, comes completely ready to run. Servo, everything, remote, everything you need in order to run this car. And let's see, let's get some measurements for you guys, just for those curious. It is about 6 1/4 inches wide outside of the rear tires. Same on the front, 6 1/4 wide. Wheelbase, stand by, need both hands. Wheelbase is sitting right at about 9.5 inches. Now the cool part about this car is the wheelbase and everything is adjustable. So you see all these open holes on the bottom. You can take the motor, transmission, and rear end and move it forward to accommodate different bodies. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Bye.